Today we are going to make Aloo Vada or potato fritters for Navratri festival. To start with, we will temper the boiled and grated potatoes and cook them for a couple of minutes. Keep a pan on medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and let it get hot. The oil is hot. Reduce the heat to low and add the cumin seeds. Let them crackle. Saute this for 30 seconds and then add the ginger paste. Stir the ginger paste a couple of times and then put in the chopped green chilli. Stir a couple of times and add in the boiled and grated potatoes. Put in the salt and the chopped cilantro and stir well. The potato mixture has been cooking for about 2 minutes now. It's ready. We'll put off the heat, transfer it to a plate and allow the mixture to completely cool down. While the potatoes are cooling down, we'll prepare the batter with the chestnut flour. Add the rock salt to the chestnut flour. Stir it a few times and add water little by little to prepare a batter. The batter is ready. You can see the consistency. Ensure the batter is lump-free and smooth. The potato mixture has cooled down completely. We'll shape the batter into small lemon-sized balls. The potato balls are ready. We will now heat up the oil and fry these potato balls. Keep a wok on medium heat. Add the oil and let it heat up. The oil is hot now. Reduce the heat to medium. Drop a potato ball in the batter and coat it well and drop it in the hot oil. Similarly, coat one more potato ball and drop it in the hot oil. Keep the heat on medium and fry these potato balls until they are golden and nicely crisp. The potato fritters are fried. Remove them to a tissue-lined plate and fry the rest of them similarly. All the potato fritters have been fried. We will now serve them. So here is our recipe of the day, potato fritters or aloo vada for Navratri festival. Do try them and give your feedback. You can have them with plain yogurt or dahi, or you can have them with coconut chutney or mint chutney. The links for the chutneys are given on the screen now. You can click those links and watch the videos. Please share our video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.